Hello children, here we go to another very important topic called LCM. So you see this is part 7 of my video on playing with numbers. So part 4 onward, part 4 is 1 and 2 were on board mass rule, and 4, 5, 6 were on HCF, which was another very important topic. So as I was telling you, we have 2 video lesson on board mass, 2 on factors and multiple. You must see part 3, okay, factors and multiples. So because we continue with the concept of multiple over here, then 2-3 video I have made on HCF. So this is a very important chapter in your whole book, because we are doing some very fundamental thing in arithmetic and mathematics from this particular chapter, which is useful to the whole of your concept for class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whenever you do maths. So here we start LCM. LCM full form is common multiple method. Okay, least common multiple. This is a method. So LCM is least common multiple. What is the meaning of multiple? I have explained. So here again I'm going to do. So what is a multiple? See, multiple of 4. This is how I write. I told you it is the table. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, like that. Okay, up to 4 10s are 48. So this is a multiple. You can see my part 3 of the video. So least common multiple we will see. Same way here I'll tell you multiple of 5. We take table of 5 children. So this is I am explaining what is multiple, what I have done in my part 3 of the video lesson. If you see, so here also children, if you see, I go up to 5 10s are 50, and it goes on. It does not stop at 10 times. Same way multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up to 100. 10 times I go. Now, so these are multiples. So there are 3 ways of finding what is least common multiple. So least word is coming. So these are multiple. I'll come to common, then I'll go to the least part. So there are 3 methods. Okay, what is I'm doing is called common multiple. One of my favorite, because here you get the logic. If you understand this, any numbers LCM children you can do mentally. I'll show you. HCF I have done 3 video, here maybe 2-3 video, and finally I'll show you both LCM HCF, some very interesting things. So by looking at this numbers only, now only I'll tell you how you will know the LCM. So first method is common multiple, which is a very logical method, common multiple method. Next is prime factor method, which you will see in your book also. And third is common division method, that is also there. So this logical is not there sometime in some book, but this is very, very important children to understand the concept and to do it mentally. So you can copy. So here we go and find what are the common multiples. See, we have found the multiple. What are common multiple? Okay, if you see children, common multiple, I'll take a red pen over here. You will see what is the common multiple here. You see 20, 20, 20. This is common to all. 40, 40, 40. If you go later on, here also you will get 60, 60, 60. So you will get table of 20 over there. So if you see the common multiples of 4, 5, 10, common multiples of 4, 5 and 10 means is 20, 40, 60, 80, all multiple of 20. All multiple of 20 is a common multiple of this. Means try to understand this. In 20 is first with example of 20 I'll tell you, and let us see the last concept, then I'll go. So out of all common multiple children of 4, 5 and 10, the least common here, if you see, is 20. Now try to understand, and this is what is LCM, children. This is what is LCM. So see here, 20 is the smallest number which comes in table of all. 20 comes in table of 4, 20 comes in table of 5, 20 comes in table of 10. So this is a least number which comes in table, which is a multiple of all these three numbers. See, 10 comes in table of 5, 10 comes in table of 10, but it does not come in table of 4. So multiple means in that table you see, children. Okay, so 20 is the least. Now another way of understanding, 20 is the least number which can be divided by 4, 5 and 10. Means you see here, 20 can be divided by 4, you will get 5. 20 can be divided by 5, you will get 4. 20 can be divided by 10 to give 2. So 20 is the least number which can be exactly divisible. Another way of looking at LCM is exactly divisible by all these numbers. Okay, so just remember this. You are in class 6, but later on also you can see. This is very useful for class 7s also. Later on also you can see, understand, but try to see here. You find the table, see the common numbers. Okay, so you'll see once you get a common number, the table of that number 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 are the common multiples, and the least number is called LCM. So one more example I'll show you. So please pause the video and copy, and we move on to the next sum. So children, I take another example to explain to you the basic concept of least common multiple. So multiple, like I showed you in my HCF, we call factor. Okay, so you must see my 4A and 4B where I start HCF, and as I told you, 1 and 2 board mass is very important. 3, 4 I have made on factors and multiples. Then you see I have made 3 videos on HCF. So you must see to understand this better. Now, multiple of 12 is 12, table of 12. Okay. So up to at least 10 times we will go. So from the very beginning, children, I'm telling you all to be good at tables. Okay, so multiple of 15, M. 15 means multiple of 15. We save space and it is logical. Factor we write as. So 15, 2s are 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, like that. So this is 90. Same way, multiple of 20 is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So all the tables of that number we do, and at least 10 times I am showing you. Okay, so here we go. So these are the multiples of the last word we start first, multiple. So this is a multiple of 3 number. Now let us see common, children. What are the common multiple? Okay, so see what in this table is coming common. Okay, so you will see 60, 120. Okay, 60, 120, that means, as I told you earlier, children, it will be table of 60 here, 60, 120. If you go 180 here, Okay, 180, 240. Okay, 180 is here only. Okay, then you will have 240, 300. Okay, all table of 60 will be common multiple. Which is the least common multiple? Least of all this. So least, if you see, is 60. Okay, least common multiple means simple logic. I'll tell you, 60 is the least number which comes in table of 12, which comes in table of 15, and which comes in table of 20. No other number before comes in table of all these three numbers. So this is the least common multiple. Next logic, I told you 60 is exactly divisible by 12. 60 by 12 is 5. Okay, 60 is exactly divisible by 15. It will give you 4. 60 is exactly divisible by 20. It will give you 3. Okay, children, so this I am telling you, 60 is also the smallest number which is exactly divisible by these numbers. So maybe you are in class 6, it is little difficult, but if you try, if you do, you will understand it. Okay, so only way to understand it better is to practice more. Okay, so least common, another easy way I'll tell you. So 60 is the least number which comes in table of all these three. 60 is the least number which can be divided by all these three numbers. So very easy method I'm telling you, which you can see and apply for the example 1 also. This is my example 2. Take the biggest number. This is what I call mental maths method, which while teaching also I'll tell you. Take the largest number. Just see this, don't see this. In the largest number, see in largest number table, we start with 20, ones are 20. Does 12 comes in, 20 comes in table of 12? No. 15 comes in table, 15 comes, does 20 come in table of 15? No. So take 20 twos are 40. 40, does it come in table of 12? No. 40 never comes. Does 40 comes in table of 15? No. Go to next. So bigger number table, you see, now I come to 60. See 60. Yes, 12 fives are 60. 60 comes in table of 12. 60 comes in table of 15. 15 fours are, and 60 definitely comes in table of 20. So 60 is the answer. So one very easy way, children. Take the largest number. Any method you do, I am telling you, this is applicable to any method. You can see and get the answer. Take the table of the largest number. See where in table, which part of the table, ones are, twos are, threes are, fours are, where other two numbers or other one number comes. Like in 60, 12 also comes, 15 also comes. Means in table of 12, 60 comes, in table of 15, 60 comes. And definitely when I am saying table of 20, 60 will come. So take that number, and that is the LCM. Okay, so I hope you have understood. You can play back, you can rewind, you can take a screenshot. So here we finish the first method, common multiple method. Now we will move on to the second method, which is prime factor method. So children, first method was for small numbers, generally we'll say logical. So bigger, like here I'll tell you, you say, as I told you, we are learning prime factor method. So just I'm telling first method, if you apply in this question, take the table of bigger number, 36. So 36, 18 will come, 24 will not come. So 36 twos are 72, in 72 all 18 fours are, 24 threes are, and 36 twos are will come. So anyway, when you have bigger number, we use prime factor methods, and we have common division method also. So here just I am explaining, this is very important. What I will do, children, here I'll explain 3 steps. You can see in any standard book, children, this will be given in detail, but I have written in short just to make my point clear. You can see here, you can check with your book, compare and write. So number 1 step, children, 18 we write as product of prime. How we do here? Little rough work I'll show you. This I have done earlier with you. How we write as a product of prime. So 18 is a product of 3 prime number, 2, 3 and 3. So already I told you prime number, if you see, prime number starts with 2, Okay, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So these numbers here should be prime number here, children. Okay, so it should be a prime number here. Same way, children, 24 if you write, so we write as product of prime every number. So 24 if you see, children, 2, 12, generally we do half. I have told you when you take out 2. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And one very easy method, children, multiply and see whether you get back 24 or not. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. Last 36, children. Here we go. 36, 2. So see, these are all even numbers. So 2 and 2 means you go on doing half. This will not go by 2. So 3, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now finally, first up, highest number of time. Now see, highest number of time. So 2 here comes thrice. Okay, so 2 comes thrice. So LCM is the highest number of time each of this number come, and answer is product of all those. So 2 comes thrice. Okay, I'll show you by another method. You are in class 6, so indices I think is in class 7. So power is more. So this I am telling you because you are in class 6 now. So 2 comes thrice. See, 2 comes twice, 2 comes once. So maximum number of times. See, 2 comes twice here in 36. 2 comes once, 2 comes thrice. So take 2 3 times. Now see, 3 comes twice, 3 comes once, 3 comes twice. So take twice. Remember in HCF, same number, I'll show you what I do here. Okay, so I'll rub that part and see. So this is my LCM. 8 9s are 72, as I told you. So 2 comes thrice maximum, 3 comes twice. So that is LCM. Okay, now if you compare HCF, just since it is there, because it is common, later on they'll say find LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. HCF, just I'll tell you with red pen if you wish. What is common to all? Remember, so LCM is this, we stop. This comes thrice and this comes twice here. HCF, if you see in the same way, first method, second method, prime factor, first I did with the logical method. Okay, now 2 comes once here, so 2 comes here once, minimum. LCM is maximum number of time, HCF is minimum number of time. Now see, 3 comes once everywhere. Okay, 3 come once, you can take the first one. So 3. So same question, your HCF will be 6. So separately I'm writing so that if you should not get confused. So if you have HCF for the same number, children, you can play back and see how I got it. HCF, if you see, 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so this is my for HCF. So what I am telling over here with red pen, you see, if you can see clear, what is common to all? So 2 was common to all. Okay, 2 is common to all, and 1 3 is common to all. So here we take the least which is there, least number of time which is there. 2 is there once and 3 is once. Okay, but in LCM we see what is the highest number of time. 2 appears thrice in 24, here once only and twice, and 3 appears twice, twice and once. So take twice. So this is my LCM, and same question, because later on you will see find LCM and HCF. So just I have given you both the concept over here. Kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to the last example for finding LCM by prime factor method. So children, see, this is exercise 6D. I was doing HCF before, so please make correction. This is 6D. Okay, and here I am taking 2 questions from your exercise 6D. Okay, if you have any standard book, you can see. So here, the very first question of 6D. Second question I wanted to do is 36 and 45. 36 and 45 and 1 part 4. So this two I'll do for you little fast, and I'll finish this session for you. So here we go. This is by prime factor method. So 36 children is 2, 18, 2, 9. It becomes half, 3, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. If you see 45 children, it is an odd number, but it will go by, not by 2, by 3, because 4 plus 5 is 9. So again it will go by 3, then you will get 5. 3 into 3 into 5. Now, what is the LCM? Okay, what is the LCM? You see, product of prime I have written, first step done. Highest number of time. So 2 comes thrice. Now, sorry, 3 comes twice. Before that I could have written over here your 2 comes twice. So every place you have to see children. HCF, what was there if you remember children? HCF was what is common to all, but here 2 comes twice, write that. 2 is not here, but we will write. Okay, 2 is not here, but we will write. It came twice, 2 times. 3 comes twice only. Suppose 1 3 would have been more here. We would have written 1 more 3. 5 comes once. So this is 4 into 9 into 5. Okay, 4 9s are 36 into 5. So your answer is 180 is the least number which comes in table of both. See, 45 stable, 45, 90, 36 does not come. 45 2s are 90, 45 3s are 135, 45 4s are 180. So 180, 36 comes 5 times. Okay, so bigger number table also you try to learn. More than 20 also if possible. Then you will understand lot of thing and you can do those mentally. So here answer is 180. This was one part 2, question 1 part 2 of your exercise 6D. Second one, just I am showing you 63, how we will write. So let us see 63, 2 it will not go, with 3 we do. So we get 3 into 3 into 7, 9 7s are 63. 105 children, 105, this will go by 3, 1 plus 5 is 6, 3s are 1, 5s are 35. Again this won't go by 3, this will go by 5 and 7. So this is 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, 15 7s are 105. What is the LCM children? Twice 3 comes. Here once take the highest power. So I have written as product of prime, highest power and product of such power. So 3 I have done. 3 done. Okay, this is 3. Now 7 comes once. So 7 comes. And 5 comes once here. So 7 is common, 5 is not common. So both we have to write. So this, if you see, we get children 15. One more 3. I said 3 should come twice. Highest power of 3. So I wrote once. No, it will be twice. Twice 3 comes highest. 1 7 common to both and 1 5. So it is 9 into 5 into 7. So 9 5s are 45 into 7. So if you multiply 7 with 45, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 4s are 28 and 1, 315. So here we have, I see the book, exercise 6D. So your numbers are there, some are small, some are big. Okay, so you get ready for some bigger question also. So children, you can pause the video, you can play back. So this is something very important I am telling you. Maybe you are in class 6, give time, see solved example, at least half of the unsolved example I am doing. Do it once, do it twice, do it thrice, then you will be able to understand in a better way. So children, please pause the video and copy, and please do practice a number of times. So thank you children for watching this video session.